This is common plantain chips. So Anna will be exported. So into Bianoa again, it's just your plantain chips. Yeah, boom. And our processing is nice. And the actual packaging, mono. Hello, everybody. My name is Daddy, and your name is
Candies.
That's saying.
Yeah.
You're frozen.
Candies.
Yay! What are we doing today, Candice?
We're doing a package and we're doing a video.
You're doing packaging and what?
And a video.
And a video on what? On food?
Yeah, we're
Good.
gonna make new plantain chips.
Plantain chips. Well done. So, okay. So, what is this?
Plantain chips?
What is it?
Plantain chips.
Well done. Okay. What is this? Look at it.
Oh, it's too heavy.
I know, but what is this? Come on, you know this. Is it fufu?
Yes.
So pronounce it. What is this?
Fufu.
Fufu. Well done. What is this?
Cocoa.
Cocoa. High five. Good. It's called Awuza Cocoa. And the last one, what is this? Okay, I'll show it to you. What is this?
Gari.
Gari. Well done. High five. Good. Okay. Hello, Fofoofo TV. This is also a quick one, okay? Be a video about mini exportations, how we can export your Ghana, your product Nibi from Ghana to this Western countries, you know. In two share, the video no ever to the top section below. I also leave a link in the description section below. In two share, Mr. Okoshe, I'm sure so be BBA frame. And so from that video, no be now DMA me say Kwame Chumi say almost started this exportation business, but they don't know where to start and they don't know what sort of product they can start with. So I thought to quickly come and record this video for you to give you an idea as to how you can also get started with your mini exportation business from Ghana. When it comes to mini exportation, coming up with a product idea, no, it's not really difficult. Okay, you are now starting up. There's something called repackaging, and you can actually invest in this product. If your product, most people are using the repackaging business model. If you have more fufu, so more way then suya and kebab, what do you call it, powder, no. We say so we did more we then almighty gari so we then plantain chips and on hano so we then kunkunte so we then awuza cocoa so awuza cocoa mix the here so the jaso no one makes it so where then so helps and will be a packaging it nicely now or export so we cry then dawa this dawa na idea no and there are lots of these products you are you yourself one can you can also come up with an idea and also repackage one of these products and export from Ghana. And Tienfan say, wow, also per se, who started this mini exportation business. Now we export Tienfan is Ghana foods. One, I'll come up with an idea, okay? Idea is one, what sort of products and I'll per se will export it. Oh, your Tom Brown or your chili powder or there's a lot of these products you can actually go on the Ghana market or move on the wholesale. No? Now also Tienfan is in regards to this tutorial, no. The man said, "Mr. Percent me exported gari and who wahe so gari mix." Said you who wahe. And to gari we no, how am I going to also package it like this? Meko jum makwakoto ABR 50 kg of gari. So into me the now fema pet how I'm going to package it. Into packaging or more tin there or more bottle mu there so or more glass crown mu there. And I've got one here. We say glass or more. The other big glass more. But the cheapest, I think the cheapest one will be to go with like a plastic packaging way like this. So 50 kg of gari, with the big good packaging, say, so I feel now way. We share gari way a crime now. We know I trust set weight, so a 2 kg weight way 2 kg. Cocoa crime the chromono. Oshe hana weight no 300 grams. So into depending on how you want to package your product. Into your packaging weigh 2 kg now. And answer with your two scale so scale way new born then with your two scale so no making sure say a 2 kg per. We are there's this machine a silly what they call it product and no bo and shada then I'll make a research and I'll leave a link in the description section below so you can also go and buy some. Intunya bibi sana. After the next step, when I say you have to do your product labeling. Labeling, especially if you want to export your goods from Ghana to Western countries. Now they are really strict about your product labeling. Maybe tutorial way now. I'll quickly create another one as to how you can create your product labeling for exportation. Now I create your product labeling. Product labeling you have two types. You have the more printy or packaging amount that I don't know. I ne bo air in pay and the minimum quantity no ibu from 1,000 and over. But if you are starting out now, you can use stickers. So the here say as to the requirements from FDA and labeling, we make sure all the information in regards to your product, your product name, the weight, the nutrition value, the expiring date, where it's from, we didn't in to label no, so now with the your packaging is so fair. Then it's ready for exportation. If you're going to do this on a larger scale, make sure that you get FDA approval from FDA. Register with FDA, no more approval your product, With a twinkle of an eye, you also come up with your own product. Then the next step is that you go look for an international buyer. And also make sure I want me exportation, mini exportation tutorial. Again, I'll leave a link in the description section below. When you buy now, then what kickstarted your mini exportation business? Into a repackaging business now, really easy. But now are doing that to a baby more. I'm going to baby more a 50 kg. Not after my yen on getting so we're breaking it down into maybe a 1 kg, 2 kg, and maybe a 5 kg. Normally, more branding at so then it's ready to be sold. We to me a ton way be crowd Ghana, and now we to me a ton way be in regards to our mini exportation. Into the content is really easy. If you're able to say plantain chips, we are so wait so no as or match it, but the chemicals, 1 or 2 chemicals be and they found so that a bit to me actually our shelves so that it won't expire quickly. Now I was saying crown say me share we in the crown. Not this crown wasn't even made in Ghana. This was made in Colombia. So we shut down Hana products from Colombia, which is really sad. They can say yeah, tia no crown. You find say me play to her. This is common plantain chips. So Anna will be exported. So into Bianoa again. It's just your plantain chips, yeah. Well, I know what processing is nice. I know the actual packaging, Into the here say you have your packaging. Well, now making sure so you go according to all the international labeling standards, Now you look for a buyer, then you start exporting. Processing is really easy. And you can also start your mini exportation business now. It's not difficult. Pick up a product, now start breaking that product into smaller quantities. Say a gari, say a Tom Brown, say a chili, say a suya sauce, say a sobolo. A lot of people, gari brand yami huyano. And you win no ton gari. We say also plantain fufu. Your mom exceeded that. Okay, your mom exceeded that. If you want to learn how to also have your own powder now, Okwa marketer, this Ghanaian market for no. They are always coming up with this powder stuff. You can go and learn. And now with Google, like I say, how to make a fufu powder, now plantain fufu powder. Learn okay, and also come up with your own idea. So you can also start your mini exportation business. If you find value in this tutorial now, again, you know what to do. Yeah, click on that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can also join the Fofoofo family. My name is Kwame Chumesi. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.